Sige ma'am, sige. Okay.
4 months, I'm already restored to health. Walking. Alive and kicking. Yay!
Wow, praise
See,
God.
I'm
Praise God.
kicking.
Praise God.
Literally.
Ba't hindi ko narinig na nag-witness ka?
Oo nga, ito
Sige
na
ma'am.
nga eh.
Dito mo kayo sinasabi.
Pero pagsalita niyo ma'am, diretso na, no?
Diretso na po.
Wow. Nice.
Hindi na po mabagal.
Yan po si ma'am,
I'm
baby
talking
Dimisa.
normally.
Wow.
Walking normally.
Wow.
Very much in love again.
So, to all viewers, maniwala na po kayo dahil siya mismo
Thank you very
ang
much.
recovered. Thank you very much, ma'am, baby Dimisa.
Hope
Good
to have
afternoon.
progress again for the next few months.
Would you recommend this ma'am to other victims?
Victims,
To other patients?
I highly recommend that you undergo electromagnetic therapy.
Oh, you heard her. Kahit yung hindi pa na-stroke, mas mabuti pa prevention, ma'am, ano?
Okay.
Prevention.
For prevention,
Uh-huh.
you can also undergo the therapy.
Okay. So, ma'am, thank you very much
Okay.
for your very precious time.